If you're still selling basic PDFs as your digital product or using them as lead magnets, then we need to talk. The game has completely changed. PDF digital products are slowly dying out and profits are drying up. So stay with me because today I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Artifacts to build a profitable, fully interactive digital product in under 15 minutes for free. No coding, no hiring a developer, no complicated tech or extra tools to pay for. And this is the shortcut I wish I had when I first got started. As some of you know, I was a former electrician until I started selling digital products that have earned me multiple six figures without a big audience and only a tiny subscriber base. But enough of that, let's jump right into it. But first, what the heck are Claude Artifacts? Think of it this way: if you ever use ChatGPT or Claude as your day-to-day chatbot, to write content or create digital products, where you type in a prompt and it spits out this big wall of text. You have to skim through like a deer in headlights. Claude Artifacts, on the other hand, does all the work for you. You type in a prompt, instead of pages of text, it kicks out interactive digital products that are currently selling right now. We're talking interactive mini apps, guides, quizzes, custom tools, lead magnets, etc. Just about anything your audience can click and use for a more interactive learning experience. Now, these type of products will help you earn more money and stand out from all the PDF digital noise hardly anyone buying anymore. Now, to check this out yourself, once you're in Claude, click on Artifacts for product inspiration. Now, as you see, Claude already has a whole library of pre-built artifacts you can start with. Think about an annoying problem you or your customer would happily pay someone to solve. For example, let's say meeting notes, okay? Let's say you don't want to, pay for another external tool. You can create a meeting summary artifact. Claude lets you paste raw meeting text and transform it into a clean, structured summary. For a quick test, I'll go ahead and, copy the text here and then paste it so you can see how it all works. It's like a mini app to help you solve a small specific problem while creating an interactive experience. So as you see here, we now have a meeting summary note. It's kind of like a lighter version of vibe coding. You can also customize it how you like and tweak the look and style. Just explain what you want in the chat, like let's say update the style or make it more personal. After Claude updates the changes you want, you can then publish and make it live. There are people paying $20 to $40 per month for similar tools, and Claude can build you a custom one for free that you can either use for yourself or sell for profit. So as you scroll through all the different product options, ask yourself, what problem would you like to solve and what product would you like to sell? Is it an app, website, productivity tool, some type of game or quiz? You decide. Now, to create a new artifact, simply click New Artifact. You'll see options such as apps, website, documents, games, surveys, productivity tools, quizzes, etc. Or let's say you want to start from scratch and build a learning experience that complements a YouTube video. You can take a YouTube video transcript or any piece of content you already made and then paste it into Claude. So for example, I'll, type something like create an interactive walkthrough presentation of the key concepts so viewers can follow along with my video. By the way, this is pure gold for educators and coaches. You can create lead magnets or valuable product resources for your customers. After it finishes, Claude will ask, does this match your vision? Now, once you confirm, it will then start building your product. And as you can see to the right, Claude writes the code in real time. I'll say just give it a minute or two. Go ahead and grab yourself some coffee. Okay, and then once it's done, to see how the artifacts looks, just click the preview icon. Now, if you don't like the style, no problem. Simply say something like, change it to more bold colors and aesthetic graphics, or just find a website you like, copy the URL and then paste it into Claude and say, can you make it similar to this aesthetics instead? Claude would then recode everything based on your instructions. Now, once it's done, usually takes, I'll say, a few minutes. Simply tap the I icon to review. Now, as you see, this looks so much nicer and much more premium than your typical PDF that hardly anyone reads anymore. And because digital product buyers are craving something different and interactive, this will help you stand out among 99% of people selling digital products online. Now, if this doesn't get you excited about what AI can do for your business, I don't know what will. Now, once you're happy with what you have, you can go ahead and click publish. And then once it's published, artifacts will be accessible for your customers or clients to consume right away. It's also great for SEO, which helps you appear in search engine results as well. The artifact can include a call to action, so when they find it online, they'll know exactly what to do next. Now that it's published, you can go ahead and copy the link and paste it in your social media or YouTube bio. Or if you have a website, click Get Embed Code, and you can paste it into StanStore, Gumroad, or any website builder. Now you have a solid, profitable product your audience can actually click, interact with, and enjoy, instead of a PDF sitting in a forgotten download folder. If you want the exact blueprint for earning your first $5,000 selling profitable digital products using AI without a big audience or technical skills, you're welcome to grab your first 5K digital blueprint in the description below. See you in the next one.